Okay, so makeup is actually probably more important than hair, I would say. Because most parents figure out the hair, but the makeup's a little bit tricky. Because the stage lights actually wash out and flatten your child's face. So what you have to do is kind of put on a little bit more than your natural makeup. And a lot of people go with natural because they're putting makeup on their kids for the first time, or you know, and they kind of go with the natural look, but when they get up on stage, everything is washed out and you can't see their features. And so the idea of makeup for the stage is to highlight like the cheekbones and the eyes so their features really pop on the stage under the lights. So the first thing you want to do, if you just done their hair, which is probably the case, I would recommend doing hair first. So you want to make sure you didn't get any gel all over their face. So you can hand them a wipe. You can have them wash their face, and you can put moisturizer on. I did not bring moisturizer. And then you want to use foundation.
Whoa, you brought foundation?
Hoping you're like kind of the skin color. Now, you can go a little bit darker than your child, again with the stage lights, because they're gonna flatten everything and they're gonna wash you out. So sometimes you may notice at dress rehearsal or something, they look really pale. You might wanna go with a darker color foundation. Okay, so then we're going to do blush.
Pink?
So you want to go from the middle of their eye back to their ear, and you want to go in the hollow of their cheekbone, so like right under their cheekbone, because what you're doing is trying to pop the top of their cheekbones. So can you make like a face for me? Doing your fish face. Thank you. Then eyeshadow. You want to use 3 different colors. So you want to start with a lighter brown. I would recommend brown tones. And you want to go all the way up to the eyebrows. So you're basically doing the crease to the eyebrow in that brown color. You want to use a slightly darker shade on the lid. And then you want to use an even darker shade in the crease. And then you want to blend them all together. Open your eyes. So again, that's lightest all the way up to the eyebrows. Try and pop the eyebrows. Medium on the lid, and then dark in the crease because you're trying to pop the crease. If a teacher recommends colors, they're mostly for the lid and the crease. So you may see a teacher recommend like a blue or a gray, and that's going on this kind of area. I think for most of you guys at this age, you're not getting that complicated yet. But then you want to do eyeliner and mascara. You ready for this? So you want to go as close to the eye as possible. You want to use black or brown. And then you want to extend beyond the eye and do what's called a wing. Like that. Now if you're feeling really ambitious with your younger child, you can do the bottom. You ready? You look so nervous about it. Miss Megan's pretty nervous. It's pretty good. And then we add mascara. So going back to eyeliner though, there's all different kinds of eyeliner. I think the like wet, I don't know if it's called liquid, like the felt tip eyeliner is best because the pencils can be really hard, and if you're doing your child's makeup, like you're gonna be pressing on their eye pretty hard, and then the liquid can kind of go everywhere. But just make sure that it's waterproof, because if they're on stage and they're sweating, you want them to get it everywhere. And then mascara. Try not to do too much. If your child has short eyelashes, like Miss Megan has really short eyelashes, you might want to do false eyelashes. You don't need to, but like for me, it helps my eyes pop a little bit. She has nice and long ones, but Mom, you might want to take like an eyelash curler and curl them upwards. And then, if you do wings, what you can do is put a little white in here. And what that does, it kind of opens up their eyes, makes them a little rounder. And then you want to take powder. And then just kind of like get all over and let the makeup set. Oh, too much powder. And then lipstick. So most of the time you want to use like a burgundy or a plum color, but sometimes teachers will recommend like this bright red, or like your teacher, a more neutral color. And voila! You did makeup.